Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by positioning the lock at the correct height and transferring the template to the door. Use a tape measure and pencil to mark the center point for the main bore and the edge hole. Precision matters because slight misalignment prevents smooth installation. Once marked, clamp the door to a stable work surface to prevent tear out. Make sure you remove existing handles and strike plates so nothing interferes with the drill path. Then choose the correct bit sizes and inspect bit condition before proceeding. You next drill the face and edge holes carefully to create the lock cavity. Start the two 1/8 hole saw at low speed and keep the bit perpendicular. If the door is thick, drill halfway from one side, then finish from the other to avoid splintering. Once the face bore is clean, switch to the one bit for the edge. After boring, place the latch into the edge to outline the plate, then chisel a shallow mortise so the latch plate sits flush. Check fit before moving on. You finish by installing the latch and lock set, aligning the exterior and interior pieces so the spindle engages smoothly. Insert the latch into the edge and secure the face screws lightly, then fit the knobs or lever and tighten evenly to avoid skewing. Close the door and test the latch and deadbolt operation multiple times, making small adjustments to the strike plate if needed. If the bolt binds, plane the door edge slightly or deepen the mortise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.